Do you want to be better? I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. December 2nd. We don't create a fantasy world to escape reality. We create it to be able to stay. Lynda Berry. Nikola Tesla created a fantastic world of wireless transmission that we somewhat live in today. Star Trek had computers that respond to voice control and replicators. And today we have Siri and Alexa and 3D printers. Abused kids have always retreated into fantasy worlds of becoming powerful, and many of them have become fighters and finally free. Create a fantasy, then bring it to reality to become excellent. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent and be better today.